today. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a website that is part one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do all of this that we did. For the hyperlinks, we're gonna do these. This is only part one. Okay, let's just get started now. Let's just get started. So what we have to do is get to Visual Studio Code and then create a new folder. I'm gonna call this one.html. So then what we're gonna do, hit enter. We're gonna do this. So you want this outside, you want it like right there. So I open this, add new file. This file is gonna be called let's say index.html. I'm gonna make another one. It's called style. .css. Let me see if I had that. Yeah, I did have that. But it's okay. Let's rename this. Let's call this to style. Enter. Let's come right here. Let's start off. Okay, we got that. Now we gotta put the head. So first we have to put that one to connect to the other one. So we're gonna put a link. So we're gonna be style sheet. And then make them next, and then ref. So this is gonna be copy the name of that one. We're gonna copy the name of this to here, which is to style .css. So after we did that, do that. And then now they're connected, so Control S. Now we come here and we put our body. I know we didn't put a title, but we can do that soon. Our body, and then we gotta put a div. And then we come here. Actually, there's a shortcut. Dot nav bar and hit enter. So when you do that, now we're gonna put an A. So we take this out, go over here. Just want to check something. Okay, let's go. Now we come to here, access that out, copy this. We need this for the icons. Here. So you come up here and do that. It's gonna be pretty long. That's all. So now we do a ref. I'm gonna say this is going to be play.html. You can name it anything you want. I'm gonna do class icon and we're gonna do I, which is like an iref. Accidentally said that anyways. Yeah, iref is going to be, so I should do is iref, so we're gonna put font. It's like a font awesome, but I don't want the font awesome. We're gonna put like a home, but what I'm gonna put, let me just check. Okay, it's gone. Mine too. You're gonna put the play button. So we're gonna put play. Now I'm gonna put that and put a dot there. Enter that. So now we come up here. We do a ref. We gotta put the same thing as right here to here. So what it says a ref index.html. Then comes this way. We're gonna say header. It's gonna be a header. I'm gonna say this is mine too. And then we come here and copy and keep pasting. Like 2 more times. We're gonna say this is our list. So list, and then come here to the list. This is going to be a book. We're gonna come here and say book. This is like the pictures. We come here and say settings. The HTML. Let's just put this as 2. We're gonna put a lock here. Yeah, because they don't have a lock. They don't have a setting sign. So we're gonna put lock. And then we save this. Come like open F5 server. And we got what? I'm just getting confused. But we will solve this next time. So this is the end of the video. So I'm gonna meet you next time, and you'll see how I fixed it. Bye. And this is part 1 for HTML. I accidentally said that. So next time I'm gonna do CSS. And bye.